Welcome to this tutorial on how to use EveryDollar Emergency Fund. EveryDollar is a free budgeting app that helps you manage your finances and create a personalized budget. An emergency fund is a crucial component of personal finance that provides a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. To start using the EveryDollar Emergency Fund, first download and install the EveryDollar app on your device. Once you have installed the app, create an account and set up your budget by linking your bank accounts and credit cards. This will help you track your income and expenses. Next, identify your essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Allocate funds to these categories first, and then determine how much you can realistically set aside for your emergency fund each month. It is recommended to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. To set up your emergency fund in EveryDollar, navigate to the budgeting section and click on the emergency fund category. Set a target amount for your emergency fund and allocate funds to it each month. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund. A key concept to keep in mind when using the EveryDollar Emergency Fund is to prioritize needs over wants. Make sure to review your budget regularly and adjust your emergency fund contributions as needed. It is also essential to keep your emergency fund separate from your everyday spending money too. Avoid the temptation to use it for non-essential expenses. Best practices for using the EveryDollar Emergency Fund include setting up automatic transfers, tracking your progress regularly, and avoiding dipping into your emergency fund for non-essential expenses. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a robust emergency fund that will provide you with peace of mind and financial security. In conclusion, using the EveryDollar Emergency Fund is a straightforward process that requires discipline and consistency. By prioritizing your emergency fund and making regular contributions, you can build a safety net that will protect you from financial shocks and help you achieve long-term financial stability. Start using the EveryDollar Emergency Fund today and take the first step towards securing your financial future.